Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes. We're going to go to the third law now, which is the addition law, all right? So we're going to see how do we break down logarithm when they are added together, all right? So when it's the logarithm of two logarithm values added to a base, all right? Before I proceed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you'll be the first person to know. So what we're saying in addition law is that we are having something like log a plus b, or let me say x plus y. Okay, we're having x plus y. How do you solve it? This is different from the product law when we had log a xy. Are you seeing in product law, x and y were multiplied together, and then we now said it was log ax plus log y to base a. Do you understand? Now, but in this case, instead of it to be multiplied, it's being added. How do you then what? Break it down. All right. So in order to do this, there are three laws, okay, or three steps. So the first thing, like I always say, the base must always be the same. Okay, the base must always be the same. Then number two, after you want to break it down and you know that the base is gonna be the same, you just apply the formula. Okay, you apply the formula on how to solve this. And after applying the formula, the next thing you do is that you what? You simplify. Okay, so what we're saying is that if we have log a x plus y will be equal to, so you have this, it's going to become log ax plus log a 1, because its addition is going to be 1 plus y over x. Okay? Also, if you have in ln, you have ln x plus y, it's going to give you ln x plus ln 1 plus y over what? Over x. And this is it. Okay? And that is that. So let me clean this way. Yep. And that is what we have. So this is the formula to apply. So when you have the addition law, it's going to be log of the first number plus log of 1 plus the second number here divided by the first. The same thing with ln. You're going to be ln of the first number plus the ln of 1 plus the second number divided by the what? Divided by the first. All right, let's pick an example for this. Okay, so we have log 3 5x plus 2. Okay, log 3 5x plus 2. So that this is going to become equal to log 3. So you see, it's going to be the first value, which is x. So in this case, let me write down the formula here. Maybe that will help you to see. So remember we said, that the formula is what? Log a x plus y is equal to, is log ax plus log a 1 plus y over x. Okay, so in this case here, all this here is your x, and all this here is your what? Your y. Okay, so that is going to give us log 3 5x plus log 3 1 plus 2 divided by what? 5x. Are you seeing it? And also, if you want to break this product law, okay, remember I told you for product law. So also, if you can remember product law, I told you for product law, okay, A reminder, I told you that log AXY is equal to log AX plus log AY. So that means I can break this because this is 5 times X. So it can become log 3/5 plus log 3x plus, then you can write this down, log 3, 1 plus 2 over what? 5x. And that will be the answer for that. So you can see in this example, I used the addition law, and I also used the what? The product law for this. All right, let me pick one more. All right. So number 2, we have ln 3x plus 1. Okay. The same thing I told you in the formula. I said for ln, it's going to be ln x plus 1 ln 1 plus the second number divided by the what? The first. So we have that. So it's going to become, I can write it down here so that it will be easy for you to visualize. So we have ln x plus y is equal to ln x plus ln 1 plus y over x. So all this is your x and all this is your y. So it's going to give us ln 3x plus ln 1 plus all this 1 divided by what? All this 3x. The same thing, we will apply the product rule as well. Okay. We'll apply the product rule where we said log AXY is equal to log AX plus log AY. So we can break this down. So because we're having ln, I think I should write this in ln form. So I can write it as ln xy is going to be ln x plus ln what? Y. So I can break this down. So 3x can be broken down into ln what? 3 plus ln x plus ln 1 plus 1 over what? 3x. And that will be the answer for that. Okay? Good. And that will be the answer for that. So that will be that for the addition law. All right. So advice, you can go to the worksheet, go to the textbook, get more examples and practice. Okay. So that will be the addition law for that. So basically, for the addition law, it's going to be the log of the first number plus the log to that base 1 plus this, the second number, divided by the what? Divided by the first. And that will be that. So the next one I'm going to go straight to is to talk about the addition law. Sorry, the subtraction law. All right, so I'm going to talk about the subtraction law. That will be the 4th law in the series. All right, so it's very important that you click on the notification bell so that when I post the next video on the subtraction law, you'll be the first person to know. All right, so see you soon.